Good morning, students. Let's start with the next topic of chapter 1, Geography, Resources and Development. The next topic is land resources in India. So, students, India has variety of relief features like mountains, plateaus and the plains, you well know. So, students, about 43% of the land area is plain, which provides facilities for agriculture and industry. So, if you talk about the total land area of India, out of total land area of India, 43% land area is plains, right? About 30% of the land area is covered by mountains, and they ensure perennial flow of some rivers, provide facilities for tourism and ecological aspects, right? So about 30% area is under forest cover, under mountains covered. So this mountains provide water for some rivers throughout the year. They also provide facilities for tourism. Many people visited during the summer in mountainous area or the hilly area. So this is very important for economic view also, and this is also important for the ecological aspects, because generally mountains are covered with lots of trees, and because of that these trees support the ecological balance of earth, right? Now about 20% of the area of the country is plateaus region. Some of the area, 20%, 27% of the area is also are under plateau region, and as you know that plateaus are rich in minerals, fossil fuels and forest as well, right? So this is the land resources in India and their use, their you can say the overall use of land resources, land area. Now, what is the land use pattern in India? We will discuss on this topic, land use pattern in India. So, student, the use of land is determined both by physical factors and the human factors, right? If you talk about any country, the land use pattern is different in different countries, right? It's depend on the physical factor as well as the human factors. If you talk about the physical factors like topography, climate and soil type is the determine the land use of any country. If you talk about the human factors such as population density, technological capability and the culture and the tradition affect the land use or the land use of any country, any area. So students, if you talk about the India, you know well that total geographical area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. So out of 3.28 million square kilometer area, we have the data of only 93% area of India, because some part of the India like the northeast state except Assam, so इस एरिया का जो रिपोर्टिंग है वो अभी तक पूरा नहीं हो पाया है, because this area is fully hilly area and some part of the Jammu Kashmir and are occupied by the Pakistan and China. That's why this area also not being surveyed yet. So we have the data of 93% part of India and their use. So out of 3.28 million square kilometer total area, total geographical area, 46.2% land of the total land area in India is the NSA. It means net sown area. इट मीन्स 46.2% एरिया पर बुआई होती है, मतलब वहां पर फसल बोए जाते हैं, राइट। 22.7% is covered by forest. Actually, the forest cover should be 33%. Right, students? Forest area in country desired percent is 33% of the geographical area, but why 33%? Because it was considered essential for maintenance of the ecological balance. So in any country 33% area should be covered under the forest for the maintenance of ecological balance. But in India, total area under the forest cover is 22.78%, right? And 8.68% is barren and unculturable land. barren मतलब बंजर. This is the wasteland. इसका कोई यूज नहीं होता है. 5.5% एरिया अंडर द नॉन एग्रीकल्चरल यूजेस. 5% एरिया भी है जो कि नॉन एग्रीकल्चरल यूज में होता है, राइट. And 3.3% area are permanent pastures and the grazing land. What are the permanent pastures? चारागाह, जहाँ पर एनिमल्स या जानवर को चराया जाता है, राइट. वहां पर ये एक तरह से ग्रेजिंग लैंड होता है जहां पर जानवरों के खाने का या चरने का काम में वहां पर उसका यूज होता है, राइट. नाउ 1.1% area under miscellaneous tree crops and the groves. Some of the area is also under the miscellaneous tree crops like the plantation crops like the tea, coffee, mango plantation, banana plantation, something like that, right. 4.1% area is cultivable wasteland. Cultivable wasteland are those areas, students, जो कि कुछ समय के लिए खाली छोड़ दिया जाता है. खेती करने लायक होता है लेकिन कुछ समय के लिए उसको विदाउट एग्रीकल्चर के छोड़ दिया जाता है, 2 साल 4 साल 5 साल के लिए, राइट. 3.37% आर फैलो अदर देन करंट फैलो. ये भी खाली है, खाली पड़ती लैंड को भी हम लोग फैलो लैंड बोलते हैं, राइट. एंड 4.176% आर करंट फैलो. वर्तमान में जो करंट फैलो, जो अगर हम डाटा की बात करें तो 4.76% आर the area of total area of the land are current fallow. तो खाली पड़ती, इसका कोई यूज नहीं हो रहा है. So this is the total land use pattern in India. Next we will discuss in the next topic, we will discuss in the next video. Thank you very much. And students, this data is general land use डाटा इज ऑफ 2008-9 का ये डाटा है जो अभी मैंने हम लोगों ने इस पर डिस्कस किया है. ये डाटा चेंज भी हो सकता है, किसी दूसरे बुक में दूसरा भी डाटा आपको मिल सकता है, बट यू कैन सी इन योर बुक ज्योग्राफी पेज नंबर 6 यू कैन सी दिस डाटा, राइट. थैंक यू.